My name's Shaq Kuban. I'm a chef living in Vietnam. We're trying a new spot tonight. My parents are here. They're about to try bún chả, northern style. So it should be exciting. Oh my God, look at that cute little thing. He's 10K. Oh my God, I just found this. Look at this thing. Ah, yeah, missed it. Hard grab. Gotta get in the car, gotta get in the car, gotta get in the car. Okay. Oh, I think I know where it is. I think this one is right across from House 81 over here in Midtown. I think so. Hopefully the rain stops before we get in there. Yeah, don't worry. This, I've been wanting to try this spot for a long time. Yeah, I keep seeing this one. Oh, cool. Awesome. Great. Let's check it out. Come on, you. This is the same car. I don't know how to get out of this car. There's like no button. Ah, okay. Come on. This place is called Hanoi Kuan. This is specialized in northern style food, but I got to run in because it's still raining. I can't get my camera wet. Pretty nice night. Protecting my camera. You excited, Mom?
Yeah, excited.
Woohoo. Let's try it. JD, they have bún chả here. I'm gonna move over here. We got a bigger table.
Bây giờ mình có thịt xiên với bún chả thôi. Bún chả. What's the matter? No bún chả?
They don't have bún chả. They don't have the fish soup.
Oh, they can
They have the bún chả, the little grilled meatball
yeah.
with the soup, and they have bún thịt xiên, which is like a noodle salad with grilled pork skewers, more so. Bún chả is like that one. Grilled meatball. Do you remember you had the pickled garlic, and you're like, oh my God, the pickled garlic's so good? That's bún chả. That dish I get bún chả. It comes with rice noodle.
Rice noodle is good.
Yeah. Sao phần bún chả, mo phần bún thịt. Con
Chả giò.
cho anh ba cái.
And pineapple, no sugar.
And this is gonna be with, it's not blended, it's just lime juice. Yeah, một nước ép chan, một nước ép thơm không đường, một nước soy, 2 ly chả đá.
You like fish soup here?
I love bún chả. We all like bún chả,
Yeah,
but she loves it. We are bún chả buddies. Yes. The bún chả, I probably would have gotten it. Either way, I'm happy either way, but I thought you would want to try the bún chả, or I thought Mom would want to try the bún chả. It's just nice light soup, but we'll get it another day.
That nice little spot.
Yeah, it's cool. I drive by this all the time. And there's another spot down here called Rooster Beers. Oh, you want a hard seltzer down there? Oh, I can get it for you.
Oh, now? Oh, you can just get it and bring it back.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
They have really good beer. And they also have hard seltzers, and they have a new soda line too. So they have like lemongrass lime soda and tamarind soda, and like a little local flavor. I love it. Great brand, good products. I really dig it. He has stir-fried corn, and he has like dried squid, grilled dried squid too. This guy, my dad's looking at this guy over here. We're very close to a spot called Rooster Beers, which is a company I really like that they produce their own beer and seltzer and spiked sodas. And my wife is requesting one, so I'll go pick her one up. It's right down the street here. And it's really good. I think it's awesome. And of course, my little lady wanted to join me. You doing okay? Okay. What flavor? Oh, tamarind? Oh, we got a passion fruit soda. Let's get that too. Do you have any colder ones? Oh, there we go. That's a cold one.
I would think it's cold.
Let me get that, and let's try, let's get a lemon lime and tamarind. Let's do the whole way. Tamarind and a lemon lime if you get cold ones for me. That's cool. And I'm just gonna get them to go. That's cool. That's fantastic. Great. Yeah, we'll just do the 3 to go. Yo, dude, the all has got me. I love it. I love it. Last time we were here, I had a couple of those. Oh man, I love it.
You're good?
It's awesome. Yeah. Yeah, it was quite tasty.
Is this a whole camera setup right now?
This is my normal vlogging setup.
Where's the camera? I don't want to touch it.
And I can turn it around. I can turn the little thing around. It's really cool. This is the best setup I've ever had. For me, it's always like, whatever makes it quicker and easier, that's the solution. And this is the best thing I've found so far.
God, we live in the...
Yo, when we came 2 weeks ago or something, it was so fun. We had such a good time. It was so great.
Awesome.
Really loved it.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna relocate to the spot though.
All right, I gotta run. I got bún chả coming. Let me pick up this little lady. Come here, baby. Okay. So good to see you.
Later, brother.
Yeah, I'll see you around.
Bye.
Okay, perfect, right? But I'm gonna put my camera away because the rain's getting a little heavy. My camera, I'm scared. Okay, we'll see you in a second. These are all alcohol. All right, let's crack one. I need a drink. I'm carrying her, running.
Oh, you're running. Here.
I'm gonna try tamarind. You like it? I started the intro of this video was my parents' first time trying bún chả. So I guess this is not my parents' first time trying bún chả. But this is my parents' first time having bún chả in probably a year.
Yeah, there you go.
This is fish sauce, and this is
Satay.
satay.
Yeah.
I thought satay was like a fake meat or something.
That's seitan. Satay can be a peanut sauce in Thailand and in Indonesia. That's like a lemongrass chili oil that they call satay.
Oh, this is the one I like. This thing is good. This is sweet.
Oh, those are big spring rolls. They're 15,000 for one.
Yeah.
So I thought they were gonna be small,
Right.
but they're pretty big for 15K. That's a good sized spring roll for 15K. Pickled garlic right there.
Pickled garlic.
Oh, this
right
one. This one is like garlic with just hot.
That's fish sauce, garlic, and chili.
Yeah, I had that. Yeah.
Let me give you a nice, beautiful bowl of bún chả, okay, baby? Nice, beautiful bowl for you. Let me give you a nice, beautiful bowl.
there. Oh, God.
It's hot, it's hot, it's hot. You remember how to eat this one, Mom?
What, the bún chả? Yeah, I think so.
Oh, okay. This one's a grilled pork skewer. Yeah, and this is just, I guess, one portion of skewer. You can dip the noodle into the fish sauce. You can grab a little bit at a time. If you want to eat it like a soup, you can. But usually I grab like a portion of the noodle, dip it in, and then eat it straight away. And like I dip it in the noodle and then grab something, and lettuce or a meatball on the way up, and then go for it.
Do you like any vegetables?
Is Liam over there by himself? What are you doing, bro?
He likes to sit over.
Okay.
It's basically a wasted noodle, if you ask me. No one's gonna finish this whole.
Listen, you give me noodles, I'm gonna eat them.
I know you guys like loaded up with the vegetables.
Oh yeah, loaded with the
Any
herbs.
vegetables.
Yeah, and I'm gonna put so much pickled garlic, you're gonna be shocked how much
really?
pickled garlic I put in there. Tender, good. Yeah,
And this is the skewer.
yeah, it's good. Dip it in the fish. There's a little fish sauce you can dip it in here. Oh my goodness.
I know, first, right.
Liam, I think we need to have a Liam shot over here. I can't believe you're so far away. You like it?
Looking for this place?
I've been driving by it. You know, we've been seeing this one a lot. Here, Liam, you want to try the pork? It's good. Grilled pork skewer. This broth is a fish sauce broth. This is the most elegant fish sauce there is. It's fish sauce with a lot of water, a little sugar, a little vinegar. And that's it. It's not like you have to stew it or cook it a long time. No, you can make it in 2 minutes.
Wow.
And then like the real secret, the best place is when you grill the meat and you put it right in the broth immediately.
Some pork belly.
You have some pork belly in there. And so like if you can also come and just get the meatball, you don't have to get pork belly.
Do we all get pork belly?
Every portion, it automatically comes with pork belly and meatball. But when you come to a spot, you can order just meatball too if you want. JD, how you feeling about the buncha? Good?
We all got bunny chow. Oh, he hasn't been to this one before.
No, he's never been to this one. This is our first time at this spot. I'm excited. Eat the meatballs, girl. Eat that meat. I didn't really think about the princess crutch going on over here. Did you hear how much Fred's hospital bill was?
No.
No.
They were in the hospital for 3 nights. They had a blood test done, an IV and a CAT scan. They have insurance. Guess how much it cost?
No, it's $400 for the whole surgery, right? So $100. Like, it's going to be really little bit, right?
40 cents.
40 cents.
40 cents.
They charged him 8,000 dong.
Fred told that story on stream today, and Tang, my camera guy, he was just like so proud of his country. He felt like so good about it. All right, my bowl came. Let's load it, because it just took some time to cook. All right, so I'm gonna go garlic.
Is this it?
Oh yeah, I'll take that. Oh, looks good, looks good, looks good. Yeah, come on you. Oh, Hap Young Wan. He owed me a meatball. I like how thin the pork belly is. And it's like charred well on the pork belly. It's good. That's good. Woo!
Good bun chow for you?
Oh, it's good.
Yeah, it's very good.
What is slices? Apple? What's in the slices?
Radish, right? Isn't it? Daikon radish?
Green papaya.
Oh, green papaya. I like that.
The green papaya is such a good solution for low calorie. It's not a typical family thing. Her sister might make it sometimes. If the whole family's together, maybe.
I think it's everywhere. Buncha.
Oh, buncha's everywhere. Yeah.
That's it. It's north and south. It's everywhere.
It's from the north. People from the north will say there's no good buncha in the south. We looked at a new location today. My wife is just in it right now. She's in it. I'm thinking about these big fat meatballs, and you're thinking about the location. I like how thick the meatballs is. They're really meaty meatballs.
I know. I have one I didn't touch if anybody wants.
Oh, really?
JD does too.
She usually does. That girl, you gotta watch her. She needs to eat meat. I just want to try spring roll. Spring roll good. The spring roll tastes like an egg roll in America. It's got a lot of cabbage in it.
Get a little spice.
Different style than I see here. If we can have the studio and the restaurant all in one space and our living space in one, it's just my life would be so much more efficient. I can drive over to Chau Tan Mi pretty quickly from there. I can get to Chau Tan Mi, so I can go to An Am really close, and I can get to Chau Tan Mi. How about the supermarket? It's like a 7-Eleven or a Circle K around the corner there. So we can just the idea of walking. We'll just walk a lot more. That part's great. It's a good spot. We'll see. Maybe it'll work out. I don't even have to leave my house to go to the studio. Wow. The studio is going to be our main kitchen. That's where we're going to eat and cook and everything. Yeah, that'll be where. This is dangerous because this don't taste like there's alcohol in it. This tastes like soda.
Yeah.
It tastes just like 7-Up or Sprite. It's really.
That's what I thought.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. How much was it?
$5.50.
$5.50.
7 bowls
It's like
of soup.
$22.
Plus we got other stuff.
Wow. This is good. Which one do you like better?
They were both good.
I like tamarind though.
Because it tastes so familiar to a soda that we know in America.
Yeah.
I love passion fruit. Yeah.
My balls keep hanging the whole time.
That's more views, baby. That's great. Good job. Way to go. You can keep zipping it down. Are you ready? Yes, sir. Let's see what the review is. You want to walk to the park a little bit? We can take 10-minute walk, that's fine. To the left is where we stayed the first in Midtown. All right, Broseph, did you like it?
Very good.
Would you come back?
Yeah, I'll come back.
Point?
8.5.
8.5.
It wasn't bad. I liked it.
Coming back?
Yeah, probably.
Point?
I would be an 8.5, but they didn't have the soup I wanted.
How about the bathroom? We didn't get your review.
Maybe a 6.5. It had everything like you asked me that it had.
Yeah.
But it was just hot and a little dirty.
Yeah, I don't like no hot bathrooms. You like it?
It's not my favorite.
Come back?
Maybe.
Point?
Maybe 7.5. So I like my fish sauce a little bit sweeter.
I like my fish sauce sour. Didi, did you like your buncha?
Yes.
Would you come back?
Yes.
How many points would you give it?
9.5.
9.5. She's a buncha girl. Did you like it?
Mediocre.
Would you come back?
No.
Point?
Like a 5, 6.
Oh, I really like your honesty. How about you?
I thought it was pretty good. I give it an 8.5.
Would you come back?
I would.
How did you feel about buncha as a dish?
Oh, I like buncha.
Yeah, so you've had buncha a couple times. Do you remember eating this before?
Yeah, I've had it. I'm not crazy about it, so
Yeah.
that's kind of
Yeah,
like.
Yeah.
I mean, it's probably good for what it is,
Yeah.
but it's not my favorite.
Okay, cool. For me, I think it's a good buncha, not a great buncha. I like the meatball. I thought the meatball was really good. The meatball is really thick, like fat, like a big meatball. That part's cool. And there's a good amount of meat in there for the price point. 50K is a good price for that much meat. And I like the spring roll. If you like an Americanized egg roll from like a takeout Chinese restaurant, it has those vibes, which is really unique. I've never had a Viet spring roll with takeout Chinese egg roll vibes. I'm assuming it's cabbage in there that's kind of giving that vibe to it. So I like that. That was kind of unique and new to me. Would I go back? Yes, I would go back. I think on a buncha, it's probably a 7.5 or an 8. Let's go 7.8. I'm gonna go 7.8 for the buncha. It's not a great bowl, but I definitely would go back. It's definitely good. Nothing wrong with it. And I would go back to try the bunka, the fish soup. I'd like to try that. But yeah, we're gonna enjoy a nice little walk in the park. It has been quite a treat to have my parents here yet again. They're becoming Vietnamese experts. They're thinking about living here for a longer term. I think that's a good idea. I feel like, why wouldn't you? It's such a great place. Hi, sweet girl. Hello. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel, give me a like down below. If you want us to help grow and improve, give us a comment down below because we need that algorithm to pump us, baby. We need it. Tell us you love us, tell us you hate us, anything. Just a comment is good. See you next time. Peace.